Exodus 15 captures a powerful moment of celebration and victory as the Israelites rejoice after crossing the Red Sea. Moses and the people sang a passionate song to the Lord, filled with emotion and gratitude for their deliverance. They proclaim, "The Lord is my strength and my defense. He has become my salvation." They recount how God hurled Pharaoh's chariots into the sea and triumphed gloriously. There is a profound sense of awe with hearts full of reverence and relief from the grip of oppression.